What does solve mean? Solve means to find the value of the variable. So that's what we're going to do today. Now, the steps to solve a two-step equation. The first is you are going to undo the addition or subtraction. And then the second is you are going to undo the multiplication and division. Remember, to undo means to do the opposite operation. So let's look at some examples together. Here you have an example. Now we want to undo the addition or subtraction. You have a plus 8. So the opposite to undo a plus 8 is to minus 8. So we minus 8 on both sides of the equal sign. We get 2x is equal to 6. Now you have a 2 times x. So to solve for x, we want to divide both sides by 2. So x is equal to 3. Here, let's undo the plus 5. So we are going to minus 5. Next, you have y divided by 3. So the opposite of divide is multiply. Multiply both sides by 3. So y is equal to 24. Now we have a minus 10. So the opposite is plus 10. Now be careful, it's negative 20 plus 10. That equals a negative 10. Now divide both sides by 2. And x is equal to negative 5. Now remember, to undo means to do the opposite operation. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for notifications on new videos. Thanks for watching.